Did you know that one of Roblox's most famous game makers was actually three people pretending to be one person? When this mystery developer suddenly disappeared, players around the world became detectives to solve the biggest puzzle in Roblox history. It all started when fans noticed strange clues hidden inside their favorite game. But these weren't ordinary clues. The coding puzzles were super hard to crack. The artwork had secret symbols that meant something special, and every item in the game told part of a hidden story. As thousands of players worked together, they discovered the shocking truth. The developer was really three different people: a coding genius, an amazing artist, and a master storyteller. They had worked together for years but never met in real life. Why did they split up? A big company tried to buy their game, but the three friends couldn't agree on what to do. So they each left their own type of clue, hoping players would solve the mystery. When the Roblox community finally cracked the code, they found something incredible: a secret new game that could change Roblox forever.